started in 2012 when we bought the business with 4 vehicles. Today we have 75 vehicles. We saw that we need to stop the transition to zero emission. Our depot is future-proofed with the size of the electrical supply, so we can charge about 45 buses in the depot simultaneously.
VEV have done a full design and build project to support Falcon here at their Wintersells Road depot. At VEV, we have our own in-house design team. What that means is we can work very closely with the Falcon team here on site and design the optimum parking layout and where the charging infrastructure should go. And the most important thing we do then is to take their running boards. That allows us to understand when their buses are running, how far they're running. That then allows us to design the optimum infrastructure for their business.
It's a massive team effort. We lost half of our yard for 6 months while the infrastructure was installed. And the whole team have pulled together with my target that I want to do this and move us forward with the innovations to make the fleet zero emission.
The most important thing you can do when electrifying the bus depot is start with the future in mind. And that's exactly what VEV, in conjunction with Richard and the team at Falcon, have done. We thought about what will the fleet look like at 100% EV. So we set up sufficient substation capacity as well as additional capacity on the panel to ensure when they do go 100% EV, it'll be far more cost efficient for them to do so. We've deployed the VEV IQ charge point management system here at Falcon for a number of reasons. One is remote fault monitoring and diagnosis. But the most important in terms of cost is the power optimization we've deployed.
We have a commitment at Surrey County Council to be carbon neutral by 2050, and decarbonising our fleet of buses is a big part of that. The roads are full of cars, and if anything we can do to decongest our roads, make journeys easier, encourage people to go onto public transport, has to be worth doing.
Passengers will definitely see a benefit of going zero emission. It will give us an edge. I think having things like air conditioning on the buses, no emissions, and all the other facilities that we put on them will actually make people want to travel on the bus. They drive so smooth and quietly, comfortable, and it's a nicer environment.
All I've heard on my first drive with passengers was, "Oh, isn't this aircon nice?" I'm really enjoying the smoothness of the ride quality. It's made a real difference to them. They're very smartly presented buses. The livery looks really nice on the outside. They're all clean and shiny and lovely. It's really good to hear.
And it's actually swaying me to go electric on the car. And I told a good friend of mine, and she said that is the last thing I ever thought you would say.
For the lifetime of this project, these buses will save 13,000 tonnes of CO2 emissions, and we've combined that with a REGO-backed power deal. That means 100% of the power we supply is from renewable sources.
The team of VEV have been brilliant. One thing that VEV gave us at the very beginning, there was a flexible approach to make the site workable for how we want it to work. They were the only company that come with that total, we're going to make this work how you need it to work, instead of, oh no, this is how it's got to be.